This man was struck by lightning 7 times, and he survived every single one. Doctors called him impossible. He called it a curse. Roy Sullivan was a park ranger in Shenandoah National Park, Virginia. Between 1942 and 1977, lightning found him. Again, and again, and again. Strike 1, 1942. Lost his big toenail. Strike 2, 1969. Lost his eyebrows. Strike 3, 1970. His left shoulder was seared. Strike 4, 1972. His hair was set on fire. He actually started carrying a bucket of water in his truck after that. Strike 5, 1973. Hair on fire again, legs burned. Strike 6, 1976. Ankle injured. And finally, strike 7, 1977. His chest and stomach were burned. That's 7 lightning strikes. Same man. All documented by doctors and Park Service records. The odds of being struck by lightning 7 times? 1 in 10 trillion. That's more rare than winning the lottery 100 times over. Guinness World Records even certified it. But here's the tragic part. Roy Sullivan survived all 7 lightning strikes, but in 1983, he died by his own hand. He said he felt cursed. In the end, it wasn't the lightning that killed him. It was the fear. If you found this story as incredible as I did, hit that subscribe button for more.